Hello, I just purchased this Backup Plus hub from Seagate. It's an 8 terabyte system. Anybody that's using YouTube or doing a lot of photo work and needs storage space, I recommend using this. I've been able to transfer a lot to this, and it's a lot easier to access it as well. So rather than do an unboxing, everybody's seen plenty of those before, I'm just going to show you the product. Okay, you can see the size of the product with me holding it in my hand. It's fairly small. You can see where the power plug and the plug that goes from this device to the USB port on your computer. I'm very pleased with it. Looks like a nice product. And you also get the charging device and the cable that hooks up USB to the one that goes into the hard drive. I purchased this on my own. It wasn't provided to me, and I'm giving my honest opinion of it. It's a nice product. It's nice and sturdy. It's not too big, doesn't take up a lot of space. I will leave a link in the description of this device if you're interested in purchasing one. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful.